Joan Roig i Soler, Barcelona, 1852-1909. Cadaqués, from Poal Beach, circa 1895. Oil on canvas, 19 per 61 centimeters, from the Bank Sabadell Art Collection. This oil on canvas was painted by Joan Roig i Soler around 1895. The artist was one of the most important landscape painters in Catalonia at the end of the 19th century. The work depicts a coastal landscape, the town of Cadaqués, seen from a beach, with sand and stone. What do we see in the painting? In the lower part, there is a small sandy beach with dark wooden boat and low stone wall on the right, guiding the viewer's gaze towards the town. On the right side, there are tall white buildings with iron balconies. The water in the harbour reflects the soft colours of the sky and the houses. In the background, many white houses are clustered together. The most prominent feature is a white church with a bell tower standing out against the horizon. In the sky, there is a wide open sky with pale grey and blue tones, suggesting bright light. What stands out most in this painting is the intense sunlight coming from the right. This light directly hits the white walls of the houses, creating a strong contrast with the shaded areas. Roig i Soler's style is known as luminism because of his exceptional ability to depict light. Who was Joan Roig i Soler? He was an artist from Barcelona who founded the Luminist school of Sitges. His style lies between realism and impressionism. He was a key figure in introducing other great painters, such as Santiago Rossinyol and Ramon Casas, to the artistic scene of Sitges. His paintings often convey the calmness and brightness of the Mediterranean.